Welcome to a new interesting video of Foodify history. This video is all about the refreshing drink that everybody can appreciate on a hot summer day or just when you're on the road for a takeout. Yes, I am talking about milkshakes. How were the first milkshakes made? Do they still use the same ingredients now? We're going to find out, so keep watching for more. Going back to 1885, the milkshake had quite a different origin story than the creamy, indulgent treat we know and love today. During this time, milkshakes were actually considered a healthful, nutritious beverage made from milk, eggs, and sugar. They were often recommended as a tonic to help people regain their strength and vitality, especially for those who were feeling weak or unwell. The primary ingredients in these early milkshakes were milk, crushed ice, and a sweetener like sugar or honey, making them more similar to today's smoothies or protein shakes. The first mention of the term milkshake appeared in British newspapers during the 1880s, referring to a mixture of milk, sugar, and crushed ice, shaken together until frothy. This basic concoction would lay the groundwork for the evolution of the milkshake. As the 19th century came to a close, malted milk powder, a nutritious blend of malted barley, wheat flour, and evaporated whole milk, became a popular addition to milkshakes. Soda fountains began offering these malted milkshakes as a delightful and fortifying beverage, often served with a scoop of ice cream for added richness. The invention of the electric blender in 1922 revolutionized the way milkshakes were made, allowing for smoother, frothier concoctions that were easier to mix and more enjoyable to drink. This technological advancement, along with the introduction of flavored syrups, transformed milkshakes into the sweet, creamy, and irresistible dessert that we are familiar with today. Top 5 popular fast food milkshake ratings and their flavors. Chick-fil-A Cookies and Cream Milkshake. Chick-fil-A's Cookies and Cream Milkshake has gained a cult-like following for its delicious blend of creamy vanilla ice cream, crushed Oreo cookies, and a dollop of whipped cream on top. This indulgent treat is thick, rich, and perfectly balanced with the right amount of cookie crunch. Fans of this milkshake often claim that it's the best cookies and cream milkshake they've ever had. McDonald's Shamrock Shake. The iconic McDonald's Shamrock Shake is a seasonal delight that has been pleasing customers since 1970. This mint-flavored milkshake is only available for a limited time each year around St. Patrick's Day, making it even more sought after. Its bright green hue and refreshing taste are a perfect blend of cool mint and creamy vanilla, topped with whipped cream and a cherry. Sonic Chocolate Peanut Butter Shake. Sonic's Chocolate Peanut Butter Shake is a fan favorite for those who love the classic combination of chocolate and peanut butter. The shake features a blend of Sonic's signature vanilla ice cream, rich chocolate syrup, and creamy peanut butter, all mixed together to create a smooth and delicious concoction. The shake is topped with whipped cream and a drizzle of more chocolate syrup, making it an irresistible treat. In-N-Out. Neapolitan Shake In-N-Out is known for its secret menu, and the Neapolitan Shake is one of the most popular off-menu items. The shake is a blend of their classic chocolate, strawberry, and vanilla shakes, all mixed together to create a tricolored masterpiece. The unique combination of flavors provides a delightful taste experience that has many people coming back for more. Dairy Queen Oreo Cookie Blizzard. The Oreo Cookie Blizzard from Dairy Queen is not just a milkshake, but an iconic frozen treat that has been a staple on the menu since 1985. The Blizzard is made with Dairy Queen's signature soft-serve ice cream, blended with plenty of crushed Oreo cookies to create a thick, spoonable treat. The Oreo Cookie Blizzard has a devoted fan base and is often considered one of the best fast food milkshake-like treats available. 5 weirdest milkshake flavors. Buffalo Wing Sauce Milkshake. This bold and spicy milkshake creation combines the unexpected flavor of buffalo wing sauce with creamy vanilla ice cream. The tangy, fiery sauce adds a unique kick to the sweet and cold milkshake, creating a surprisingly addictive flavor combination. This adventurous milkshake might be the perfect accompaniment to a plate of crispy buffalo wings. Bacon and Maple Syrup Milkshake. Bacon lovers will be intrigued by this sweet and savory milkshake that brings together the smoky flavor of crispy bacon with the sweetness of maple syrup. This milkshake blends vanilla ice cream with real bacon bits and a generous drizzle of maple syrup, creating a delightful balance of flavors that might remind you of a hearty breakfast. Topped with whipped cream and a bacon strip, this milkshake is not for the faint-hearted. Pickle Milkshake. The pickle milkshake is certainly an unconventional flavor that has gained some attention for its unexpected combination of tangy dill pickles and sweet ice cream. Made with vanilla ice cream, pickle juice, and chopped pickles, this milkshake offers a refreshing and slightly sour twist on a traditional sweet treat. It's the perfect choice for adventurous foodies and pickle enthusiasts. Lavender and honey milkshake. The delicate and floral flavor of lavender might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think of milkshakes, but this unique creation is a delightful surprise. The lavender and honey milkshake combines the fragrant taste of lavender with the natural sweetness of honey and a scoop of vanilla ice cream. The result is a light, refreshing, and sophisticated flavor experience that's perfect for a warm summer day. Wasabi and white chocolate milkshake. This unusual milkshake brings together the fiery kick of wasabi with the smooth sweetness of white chocolate. Made with vanilla ice cream, white chocolate sauce, and a touch of wasabi paste, this shake offers a daring flavor combination that will awaken your taste buds. The spicy wasabi is balanced by the creamy sweetness of the white chocolate, making for a truly unique milkshake experience. Most popular flavor of all time, strawberry. The most popular milkshake flavor of all time is the delightful and refreshing strawberry milkshake. This classic flavor has captured the hearts and taste buds of people all around the world, making it a true fan favorite. The perfect balance of sweetness, creaminess, and fruity flavor makes the strawberry milkshake an irresistible treat that has stood the test of time. The strawberry milkshake's popularity can be traced back to the early 20th century when fresh fruits like strawberries began to be more widely available and affordable. This allowed soda fountains and ice cream parlors to experiment with new, fruit-based milkshake flavors that customers would come to adore. Strawberry quickly rose to prominence, becoming a staple flavor alongside chocolate and vanilla. The appeal of the strawberry milkshake lies in its simplicity and versatility. Made with a combination of ripe, juicy strawberries, rich and creamy ice cream, and a splash of milk, the strawberry milkshake is a delightful concoction that is satisfying without being overly sweet or heavy. Its naturally vibrant pink color adds to its visual appeal, making it an irresistible treat for people of all ages. In addition to its timeless taste, the strawberry milkshake is also quite versatile, allowing for various adaptations and flavor combinations. It can be easily customized with the addition of other fruits, flavored syrups, or toppings to create unique and delectable variations that cater to individual preferences. Popular pairings include strawberry banana, strawberry cheesecake, and even strawberry chocolate. Despite the countless flavors and innovations that have emerged in the milkshake world over the years, the strawberry milkshake remains a true classic and the most popular flavor across the globe. Its enduring appeal is a testament to the power of simplicity and the irresistible combination of strawberries, ice cream, and milk that continues to delight generations of milkshake lovers. Thanks for watching another video of Foodify history. If you enjoyed this one, don't forget to subscribe and let us know in the comments which milkshake flavor is your favorite.